So first, holding your ukulele. Some people like to use their arm to secure it like this, or you can just rest the ukulele on your lap. And something really important that you have to remember every time before you play the ukulele is to tune it. So some people like to use an electronic tuner that you can clip right here, but an alternative to that is to download an app on your phone. So I use this one, but any app works. So the app is helpful because it will tell you or the electronic tuner, but it will tell you which string to play and it'll automatically detect which string you're playing. So if I use my thumb to pluck this string, it shows me that it's A. And it says that A is too high or too low, sorry. So then I have to tighten this chord. So keep playing as you tighten. And remember it will show on the tuner too if you have the app, but remember this chord goes with this